I'm gonna finish Thrust and Gravity, okay? I live here on my knees as I try to make you see that you're everything I need here on the ground. You're not a friend nor foe, though I can't seem to let you go. One thing that I still know is that you're keeping me down. Keeping me down. Yeah. Okay. I want you guys to guess how old I am. Go. Do it. Do it. Never takes too long. I've been getting a lot of 19s lately. 22? Do you guys really want to know how old I am? I'm 14. Okay, well, thank you guys. I'm stopping this now.